The Earth, where countless creatures and humans live together. The Earth has met huge crises due to humans' reckless energy consumption. Increasing industrialization, increase of energy consumption due to the economic growth, and demand of more comfortable indoor environment require more energy consumption. This trend has led increasing demands of fossil energies, including oil and LNG. Increase in consumption of fossil energy has caused global warming, which results in increase in sea level, which cause serious natural disaster including typhoon, tsunami, floods, drought, large forest fire, desertification. Furthermore, sharp increase in energy consumption has caused energy cost burden to all individuals and companies. Accompanying to energy crisis, dioxide emission right issue has emerged as a local and global issue. In Korea, trading of dioxide emission right and mandatory regulation of mitigating GHG emission caused Korean industry under emergency alert. Energy recycling technology is highlighted by Korean government and industry as most effectively technology to meet such trading of dioxide emissions and mitigation of GHG emission. We are confident of ultra heat pump under hybrid method developed by Kukje Energy as a highest rank in the global energy recycling technologies. Energy recycling technology, which simultaneously can produce chilled and hot water with low cost through multi-collection of unused energy, more actively meets such trading of dioxide emissions and mitigation of GHG emission. This ultra heat pump is dream technology as integration of new renewable energy technology which ultimately challenge the zero fossil energy use. Heat from cooling water which used in the process within building and factories. Heat from wastewater of buildings. Air heat from cooling and heating buildings. Exhaust heat from industrial process. Geothermal heat maintaining an annual average temperature of 13 degrees Celsius less than underground 5 meters. Waste heat from waste treatment plant where treat water in bulk. Heat from infinite seawater covering 70% of the Earth. Ultra heat pump is high technological energy recycling system. Can simultaneously produce chilled water from 1 to 7 degrees Celsius, mid-hot water from 45 to 60 degrees Celsius, and hot water from 60 to 90 degrees Celsius by utilizing collected multiple heat sources in the Earth. Ultra heat pump basically consists of compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. Within this cycle, ultra heat pump is precisely designed to produce chilled and hot water at the same time, while maintains heat balance according to load fluctuation. First, compressor compresses 25 degrees Celsius refrigerant gas to be 90 to 120 degrees Celsius refrigerant gas. This refrigerant gas produces hot water through hot water heat exchanger. Through instant hot water heat exchanger, refrigerants with lowered temperature of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius go into hot water heat exchanger and exchange heats to make medium hot water with 45 to 60 degrees Celsius temperature for heating. Refrigerants with 50 to 70 degrees Celsius degree from hot water heat exchanger are circulated within anti-overheat heat exchanger to be cooled down to 30 degrees Celsius. Chilled refrigerants with 30 degrees Celsius degree become 0 degrees Celsius refrigerants through expansion valve. Evaporated refrigerants with 0 degrees Celsius degree go through shell and tube type of evaporation heat exchanger. And lower temperature of chilled water, which has cooling load from 12 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. In terms of performance, ultra heat pump disallows other competitors' challenge. The representative difference is consumption of electrical power and efficiencies, which is COP. Consumption of electrical power of existing other heat pump is 74 kilowatt, while of ultra heat pump shows 38.5 kilowatt and 48 kilowatt when simultaneous use of chilled and hot water and separate use respectively. Maximum COP of ultra heat pump is 9.5, while others show 5.5. Ultra heat pump increases its reliability by applying German Bitzer compressor, the biggest compressor maker in the world, and Italian Revcom screw compressor, which are famous for its high technology. Though utilizing Kukje Energy's patented technologies specially allow maintaining stable high efficiency by improving typical 4-pass type of shell and tube heat exchanger to 1 to 8-pass type. Using ultra heat pump will remarkably reduce energy costs and solve dioxide emission issue at a same time. Furthermore, many subsidiary effects are accompanied. Lack of oxygen resulting from operation of boiler and absorption chiller heater shall be solved. Noise will be lowered from 85 decibels to less than 60 decibels. Installation size will be reduced by a half. 240 RT turbo refrigerator and 1 ton per hour flue tube smoke tube boiler for simultaneous supply of hot and chilled water require 43 square meters, but ultra heat pump only needs 21 square meters. This reduction will increase availabilities of machine room. Now, we will check the advantages of ultra heat pump through actual installation case. Chungang Vaccine Lab installed 120 RT ultra heat pump in June 2012. There was no out of orders after installation, and $123,000 is stably saved per year. In June 2013, Gymnasium of Dongjakgu office installed 200 RT ultra heat pump as a first installer of public facilities. This facility has saved $165,000, selected as most excellent sports complex in Korea, and won awards from Ministry of Culture and Sports. Huon's pharmaceutical company installed 180 RT ultra heat pump in June 2013 and saved annually $280,000. Especially, cost of electrical power and fossil energy are saved at the same time, which results in shorter investment collection period. Green Cross Corporation installed in December 2014 200 RT ultra heat pump and expects saving costs by $280,000. As a result, initial investment is expected to be collected in 1 year. High energy saving efficiency and stabilities has made Kukje Energy's ultra heat pump to have unlimited sales market. Most big factories and buildings which consume huge electric power and fossil energies can apply ultra heat pump. Factories manufacturing medicine, biogoods, semiconductors, displays, food and beverage, chemical, steels, shipbuilding, vehicles, papers and textiles, and refrigerated warehouse are our sales targets. Also, hotel, general hospitals, department, shopping mall, and gym with ice rink or swimming pool are also good place which can have benefits from our ultra heat pump. Resorts and water parks use chilled and hot water at the same time over a year. Such places have sufficient heat source to maximize effects of saving energy costs. Additionally, even though the size is small, mid-size commercial facilities and museum will require high energy consumption will have excellent advantage of ultra heat pump. Finally, we go over economic feasibilities of ultra heat pump. Ultra heat pump has outstanding competitiveness in efficiency compared to investment. Assume normal buildings which operate cooling activities by 15 hours per day for 120 days, heating by 15 hours per day for 140 days, and using hot water by 10 tons per day for 260 days with 200 RT absorption heater and chiller, and 200 megacalories per hour hot water boiler. The initial capital expenditures are $300,000, which is higher than $130,000. However, This excessive capital expenditure were collected in 1 year by saving about 150,000 US dollars. Assume normal buildings which operate cooling activities by 15 hours per day for 120 days. Heating by 15 hours per day for 140 days. And using hot water by 10 tons per day for 260 days with 200 RT absorption heater and chiller and 200 megacalorie hot water boiler. The initial capital expenditures are 300,000 US dollars, which is higher than 13,000 US dollars. However, this excessive capital expenditure were collected in 1 year by saving 150,000 US dollars. Ultra heat pump can minimize consumption of fossil energy by producing hot and chilled water without gas boiler and chiller. Through this system, 국제 Energy has contributed solving dioxide emission issue and zeroizing consumption of fossil energy. Thank you.